My dad and the parrot. Parrot's on his back right now, but it likes moving a lot. Who knows where it went? Oh, look at it. You can see it. There's Mika. Mika! Hello there, Mika. Uh-oh, she's looking at me. Hello. Hello there. Oh, phew, you're not looking at me anymore. I should climb your cage. Unlike some other birds. Named a budgie. What? Oh, she's in the kitchen. She's in the kitchen. Squad. There she is. She likes drinking my mum's coffee.
You're drinking it. You're not allowed coffee.
Exactly.
Get off my minion cup.
Sorry, my dad's coffee. Yep, she's in it now.
Mika. Mika, mate. What do you mean? Wait.
My dad literally tamed it like bam, bam, bam. How hard is it to tame a parrot, Dad? Tell us. How hard is it to tame a parrot?
It takes a long time to build their trust.
Huh. Well, that's it, guys. If you want to learn how to train a parrot, you've got to get it trust for a while. Try getting it to trust. The trusty fussed. I'm sitting on a chair. Now, I think Dad wants it in the cage. No, he's feeding it. Dad, stop teasing it. It just wants food, man. Yeah. And that's my pet. That's my pet parrot and my dad.